Everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. I just want to show you this. Today we're just working on a school and they want this concrete block wall tidied up. As you can see, it's pretty bad, pretty mouldy. Grey blacks, the grey blacks are all pretty much organic matter. You can see around here too. Now this may look like a sandstone wall, it's not, it's actually a concrete wall. They often have, you know, they make it look like sandstone, but it's not. So the thing with this kind of work is we have to spray chemical. There's no way we can do this just by pressure cleaning. So as you know, our usual process is to spray a mould killer, mould and mildew. What this takes care of, and it's very good at it. Particularly you'll notice here where there's the tops of the wall is where a lot of the grey black stuff is, and that's because the water basically sits on that surface for prolonged periods of time, and slowly and surely the mould ends up growing into the stone. So what we have to do is follow that same process. We have to spray this formula and then basically allow it to sit and penetrate into the stone. So you don't want to work it too quickly off and start pressure cleaning it. I'll show you the process as we go, but basically we should come up very well. Hey, these are the finished results. I am very happy with this. As you can see, look at this stone here. It's almost like new. You can see all the textures and colors from the original stone, and there's no damage to the stone, which is the most important thing. If you just hit this with pressure hard enough, you'll just chip it. You'll just have lots of chip and you'll ruin the grout and everything. So as you can see, compared to where we started, this is a magic result. So really happy with the results. Just show you the inside of the block wall as well. So if you have something like this, give us a call. Get the right people in, people who've got chemical, who know how to work it and how not to damage it. Okay, hope that's helpful to you, and thanks for watching, and stay in touch if we can help you.